I am Tanish and you're watching my YouTube channel GK with Tanish. Today I am going to tell you about some important points related to general knowledge. Before starting, I request you to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon if you think it is useful for you. I did a lot of hard work to complete this video. So come on friends, let's start to learn something related to 12 Jyotirlinga. This is one of the most famous Jyotirling in India. Somnath is regarded as the first among the 12 Adi Jyotirling and one of the most worshipped pilgrimage sites in the country. The temple architecture resembles Chalukya style and Lord Shiva is believed to have appeared in the shrine as a seething column of light. Shiv Puran tales reveal that Moon married 27 daughters of Daksh Prajapati. But Moon was cursed by Prajapati for neglecting all his wives except one Rohini. In order to get rid of the curse and regain his lost luster and beauty, he worshipped Lord Shiva. The Almighty granted his wish and resided here as Somnath eternally. Located in Kathiawar region, Somnath Jyotirlinga temple was destroyed and rebuilt almost 16 times. There is no doubt in the fact that this temple comes on the top in the 12 Jyotirlingas. Mallika Arjun. Sri Salem Mallika Arjun, popular as Kailash of the South among the other 12 Jyotirlingas in India. Mallika Arjun Jyotirlinga temple is located atop Sri Salem mountain on the banks of river Krishna. With beautiful architecture and sculptures, decorated pillars known as Gopurams and Mukha Mandapa Hall. Mallika Arjun consists of deities of Shiva and Brahma Amba or Parvati and is listed as one among the 52 Shakti Pethas of Sati. Of Mallika Arjun consists of deities of Shiva and Brahma Amba or Parvati and is listed as one among the 52 Shakti Peeth of Sati. Mallika Arjuna Jyotirlinga is unquestionable one of the greatest Shivite shrine of the country. Arjuna Jyotirlinga is unquestionable one of the greatest Shivite shrines of the country. Mahakaleshwar, surrounded by dense Mahakal forest, Mahakaleshwar Temple, Ujjain, is another the Jyotirling in India that has immense spiritual significance. As one of the popular Jyotirlingas of central India, the shrine at Mahakaleshwar is believed to be set up by a 5-year-old boy, Shrikar, who was inspired by the devotion of King Chandrasen of Ujjain. Located by the banks of Shipra river, Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga is also among the 7 Mukti Sthal in India, the place that can liberate a human being to eternity. Omkareshwar. Omkareshwar, translating to Lord of the Om sound, is one of the most sacred places on the Narmada river. This temple has immense mythological significance too. Omkareshwar. Omkareshwar translating to Lord of the Om sound. People believe that once there was a war between Devas and Danavas, and the Devas prayed to Lord Shiva for victory. Satisfied with the prayer, Lord Shiva appeared as Omkareshwar and helped the Devas to achieve triumph over the evils. Vaidyanath World Jyotirlinga among the 12 Jyotirlinga names in the country. Vaidyanath or Vaidyanath is also one among the 52 Shaktipat shrines of Sati of Hindu religion. Mythological stories believed that Ravana revered Shiva for years and invited Shiva to Lanka. Shiva showed up as Shivalinga and ordered Ravana to not to put down anywhere until he reaches Lanka. Vishnu interrupted Ravana in between and influenced him to keep the Shivalinga at rest for some time. Thus Ravana disobeyed Shiva, and since then he resided as Vaidyanath here in Deoghar. The month of Shravana receives maximum footfall here as people believe worshipping this shrine of Shiva will help them to get rid of all miseries and attain moksha and salvation. Bhima Shankar. On the banks of river Bhima, there lies Bhima Shankar temple, a marvelous black rock structure with Nagara architectural pattern surrounded by a wildlife sanctuary of the same name. The Jyotirlinga here is believed to be built by Bhima Kumbhakaran's son. Huge number of pilgrims visit this shrine around the year, especially during Mahashivratri. Rameshwaram Jyotirlinga is believed to be worshipped by Lord Rama after his phenomenal victory over Ravana, known as the southernmost Jyotirlingas in the country. The temple is surrounded by the sea and boasts of its beautiful decorated corridors and 36 tirthams. Popular as Varanasi of the south, Rameshwaram Jyotirlinga is also one of the most visited holy places in India, approached via Madurai in Tamil Nadu. Devotees visiting this Jyotirlinga also visit Dhanushkodi beach. Rameshwaram Jyotirlinga is believed to be worshipped by Lord Rama after his phenomenal victory over Ravana, known as located on the coast of Saurashtra in Gujarat, between Gomti Dwarka and Bet Dwarka. Nageshwar is one of the popular Jyotirlinga temples in India. Thousands of devotees visit the temple of Nagnath around the year to seek blessing from the holy shrine of Nageshwar Mahadev, located in an underground sanctum. The 25-meter tall statue of Lord Shiva, large garden, and unobstructed views of the azure Arabian Sea fascinate the visitors. This is one of the most powerful Jyotirlingas in India, which symbolizes protection of all types of poisons. Kashi Vishwanath, renowned as Golden Temple in Varanasi. Kashi Vishwanath is a popular one of the Jyotirlinga temples list. Constructed in 1780 by Maharani Ahilya Bai Holkar, a Maratha monarch, this Jyotirlinga is a significant religious place for the Hindus. Devotees believe that Lord Shiva resided here and offered liberation and happiness to all. Kashi Vishwanath, renowned as Golden Temple in Varanasi, Kashi Vishwanath is a popular through Earth's surface and moved towards heaven. It's among the most sought after 12 Jyotirlingas in India. Triambakeshwar Jyotirlinga is located near the place of origin of Godavari river, also known as Gautami Ganga. According to Shiv Purana, Godavari river and Gautami Rishi pleased Lord Shiva to reside here. The god emerged in the form of Triambakeshwar. The most unique part of the Jyotirlinga is its shape. Instead of a shrine, there is a void here with 3 pillars. Placed inside the 3 pillars represent the 3 most powerful and authoritative gods, namely Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwar. Kedarnath, situated in the Rudra Himalayan range at one altitude of 1200 feet. Kedarnath Jyotirlinga is also considered as one of the Chota Char Dhams of Hindu religion. Due to extremely cold weather and snowfall, the temple remains closed for 6 months during winter and is open only from May to June. The temple remains closed for 6 months during winter and is open only from May to June. Pilgrims on their way to Kedarnath first visit Gangotri and Yamunotri to take holy water, which they offer to Kedarnath Shivalinga. People believe on visiting Kedarnath temple and bathing the Jyotirlinga, one can rid of all unhappiness, ill luck and misfortunes. Trekking up to Kedarnath is moderately difficult and people use walking sticks. Grishneshwar with impressive red rock 5-story shikhara carving of gods and goddess and a huge Nandi bull in the main court hall. Grishneshwar temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas of Shiv Purana, located near caves of Ajanta and Ellora, built by Ahilyabai Holkar. This temple is also known as Guru Somveshwara and Kusum Ishwara. Carved on red rock is immensely impressive and fascinates each and every visitor. So now I think you have learnt about 12 Jyotirlinga. If you like this video, just subscribe my channel and keep a like, share and also press the bell icon. Next I will visit with some other general knowledge question. Thank you. Namaste. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.